Are you looking for a 360-degree laser level, but didn't know which one to choose? Well, you've come to the right video, as that's exactly what we're going to see today in this top 3. Comparison of the best 360-degree laser levels. So what is the advantage compared to a traditional laser level going V? A laser level, so-called 360 degrees. It will project a laser line or even multiple laser lines around the room, so forward, backward, and on the sides, rather than just a single laser line. This allows for leveling and aligning surfaces more quickly and efficiently because there will be no need to constantly move the tool to project laser lines in different places. It will do everything directly. So it will be very interesting for the installation of drywall, laying tiles, setting up suspended ceilings, arranging furniture, and, fixing a mirror, mounting a cabinet, shelves, etc. So we will look at the best products today, the highest rated, in descending order of price, hoping that this will save you time in making your choice, and of course to order one of the models presented or to find more information. There will be all the links in the video description. So we will start with the first model, which will be the 360-degree laser level from Bosch, a model that has an average rating of 4.6 stars out of 5 based on over 1,400 reviews, which is really excellent in terms of customer ratings. The price will remain relatively reasonable for the quality presented. We will therefore have a selection of lines with a single button, so the laser will project a horizontal line at 360 degrees and 2 vertical lines, as well as a plumb point at the bottom. You will therefore have very good visibility with VR laser technology, which will really offer better visibility than red line lasers, which are becoming increasingly rare. You will have great ease of use with results that are truly precise, using lasers that have an accuracy of 0.4 millimeter per meter. So there you go, to the millimeter. It will be really very precise, and we will have a laser level that will be able to self-level within a range of plus or minus 4 degrees, which can also be set in tilt mode to project. You can either purchase the tool alone or the tool directly with an appropriate tripod that will be provided. Here, I have initially included the option with the tripod. Of course, if you already have one, you can deselect it. And of course, the price will vary as well, depending on whether you take this tripod or not. So there you have it. It's a super interesting product, very high quality, with a good price-quality ratio, which I recommend. To see more information, it will be the first link in the description 1 or 2 that I will present to you. This is the green laser level with 360 degrees from the brand Sigman, which is a self-leveling laser, rated 4.5 stars out of 5 on average, based on over 3,000 reviews. So it is really excellent in terms of customer ratings as well. It is also a model that is quite popular. You will therefore have a complete layout of 3 times 360 degrees with high visibility. It will have the usage aspect with the remote control, which will make it even simpler and quicker to use, allowing you to control it from a distance, which can be convenient, along with self-leveling and a manual mode. You can press the lock button to unlock the position to open the self-leveling mode, and there will be a pendulum on top that will be unlocked, and the laser level will automatically level itself at 4 degrees. You can also press and hold the power button to open the manual mode switch, allowing you to meet your alignment needs at different angles. So this is a model that will also be very complete. In the package we will have, of course, the laser level with a portable bag, a magnetic base, a mini tripod, the remote control, a laser target plate, and also a Type-C charging cable, as well as a user manual. So it's really a complete product, which is also highly rated, and I recommend it as well. So for more information, it will be the second link in the description, and we will finish with a caliper, which is a little more affordable in terms of price. So the name is very complicated. I will say it letter by letter. It's YSJOMJHY.S. So this model is a bit less popular and has slightly lower ratings, which is a bit less positive. However, it is true that it is still considerably cheaper than the other two, so that will somewhat compensate for the lack of evaluations. Therefore, it will still maintain a reasonable quality-price ratio. You will have the remote control feature, which can be used from up to 10 meters away. You will also have 2 horizontal lasers and vertical lasers to really have all these possibilities. There will also be a rechargeable battery of 4000 mAh that can last up to 8 hours, so you will really be able to complete your work session. And then, if you have really used everything, replace the batteries, a wide range of applications, easy installation, etc. We will also have everything related to the handbag, that kind of thing. You will be able to keep everything that is there by following the third link in the description, but it is a model that is a little more affordable in terms of price, which will be significantly lower in quality from a slightly less recognized brand, and so on. But if you have a tighter budget, it can still be interesting to consider. This one. That was all for this top 3 comparison of the best laser levels at 360 degrees that can be found on the market in 2023. So if you wish to order one of the models presented or see more information, check the prices exactly, see the customer ratings for yourself, view more images, and get more details. To really finalize your choice, click on the links in